In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. If you've ever wished your friends could see what you're listening to on Apple Music right inside your Discord status, this is a simple way to make it happen on macOS. We'll use a small third-party Rich Presence app that bridges Apple Music and Discord, so your profile can display the song title, artist, and album art in real time. Here's the idea. Discord has a feature called Rich Presence, which lets apps share what you're doing as a status. Spotify has an official integration, but Apple Music doesn't. That's where a community-made connector comes in. An example is Music RPC, a lightweight macOS app available on the App Store that runs quietly in the background and talks to Discord for you. It's not an Apple or Discord product, but it's designed to mimic that same now playing experience without any complicated setup. When you first open the app, it will ask you to authorize it with Discord. Approve the prompt once and you're set. After that, just let the app run in the background. You don't need to keep a window open or tweak advanced settings. Now open Apple Music and play a track. Within a moment, your Discord status should update automatically to show what you're listening to, complete with the song name, the artist, and the album artwork. What's nice about this approach is that it runs locally on your Mac. There's no sketchy account linking or odd workarounds. It simply reads what Apple Music is playing and shares that information with Discord's Rich Presence. Think of it as a small connector that fills the gap Apple and Discord haven't officially addressed yet. A couple of practical tips can help things go smoothly. Keep the app running whenever you want your status to update. If you quit it, Discord won't know what you're playing. If your status doesn't change right away, check that Apple Music is actually playing and not paused, and give Discord a few seconds to refresh. Also, remember that this is a third-party tool, so its name or interface might change over time, but the basic flow remains the same. Authorize once, run in the background, and play your music. And that's it. With a tiny helper app on macOS, your Apple Music listening activity can show up cleanly on Discord, just like an official integration would, without any complicated setup.